Hey guys, we're waiting to leave Lake Placid. I'm going to show you around the train a little bit. This is the open air car that I picked. Hello.
Again.
Right? We meet again.
There were too many people that time.
That's true. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Open the door for you. Squeeze by. Come through.
Everybody come
Thank
in.
you. Thank you. And this is the other option. You can actually get regular seats here, but
And they even gave us hats that said Project Artemis on it.
thank you.
Hang on.
Sorry. Hello. Right behind you.
Okay.
Sorry.
There's more coming.
These guys are the second class.
They go out and do
Yeah, but I think we're going to go for that one. Are they?
Maybe. And if you want the extravagant, you can get the first class, which is right here.
everybody.
Can't go in there, but that's what it is.
Yep, upstairs to the right.
So now we're walking our way back to where we were.
The other one was a 750 horsepower. Same exact.
Every car's got these little corridors here. There's some rooms.
Too bad we didn't bring the battery charger. Too bad we had to bring that little battery.
We're making our way back. This one's got 4 different seats.
Look at everything. Think of where you think you need it or not.
Now we're going to turn around and the steam's going to pull us back.
You gotta know when it's happening.
Got the open car. And then if you continue going back here, got light snacks and actually a gift shop here and this luggage rack here. Hello. This is also second class, just another variation. 1950 zeros.
Is that a power?
This is locked. Anyway, that's our tour. I'm going to try to take another shot here of the video as we're going on board. Lots of traffic. They're waiting with the line to shoot this. Right behind you. Oops, sorry.
Okay. We're going to be going that way, right? Back?
Yes, and the steam locomotive. Some of the people, I think most of these people already, they purchased tickets for here, so, but like these are open and these are
Yeah,
open.
yeah. Okay. I did not.
That's our quick tour. Rolling over the deck. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Take care.